Welcome back to the channel. Here we are at Astle Park. Steam Fair. Looks good, looks good. Oh, look at these. Here we go. Remembers chips, eh? Proper highway patrol.
Yeah, well, we're having a bit of fun.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, really? Buzzkill! Oh, wow. Oh, look at the old Susie G GS 550 there. Beautiful. Kawasaki. Gorgeous, that is.
Chips.
Oh, look at that beast. Honda Goldwing. I've not seen one of them for many, many years. They were amazing bikes. Still are. Look at that. Wow. I could see me on one of them. They were a nice can of lager there. They're all Goldwings. Beautiful bikes, absolutely stunning. Tell you one thing though, it's bloody busy here. This gimbal keeps moving by itself, which is bloody annoying. Look at the size of that beaut. Wow. Right, let's get past the bikes. Here we go. The old Samson oil engine. Okay. Wow. Built 1919. 4.5 brake horsepower. For sale. All right. So that's different. Look at the baby, look at the baby. There was one here working. There we are. Wow. What do we have here? Hanson Engine Museum, that's in Poynton. Wow. Mm. 1929 Gardner 3J5/2 two-stroke. Not as intricate as today's engines, but it works and it looks bloody marvellous. He's got his brew. The old tombola. There you go, look at that. Awesome. Love it. Always an ice cream place. Ice cream. Ice cream! It's like public loos over there. I'm busy getting them all going. I'm getting ready to go. 1.5 brake horsepower, this little fella. Oh. Sorry, look. No problem, thank you.
Camera.
It is indeed, yeah. As you can see there.
Clever, I've never seen such a small camera.
Oh, they're very clever nowadays.
Oh yes.
Chinese, you see.
Oh yeah, they've got everything.
Oh, the Dodgem cars aren't going yet. If they do, while we're here, no, I won't be going on one. Don't know what that is. I have to go out on the other side and have a look. I think someone needs to close that door, otherwise it's Cox. No one wants to see that, do they? Well, I wouldn't have thought so. And what would a steam fair be without a fun fair? It's a massive expanse of ground, so there's plenty of walking to be done. Sorry about now facing the sunshine. Yeah, the car park over yonder, it's absolutely packed and they're still piling in. There's going to be one busy day here. There's Gandalf. Crikey. Tons of little portaloos. This is why we're here waiting with little Sarah. Oh yes. The old twister. Hook a duck. So tempted to say something else other than hook. I think you know what I mean. And here is the main attraction. By the looks of it, this is the main square. Don't know what's going on in there later. I haven't actually read the itinerary. But look at these beautiful machines. I wonder if they're going to go around the ring. A strong possibility. It's probably why they're here. Wow, they're something else, aren't they? Good grief. Look at that. Galloping horses. Electric galloping horses. Isn't that glorious? Lovely little seated area. God, wow. Never easy to drive. We'll never know. Yeah, the sun. Photographer's worst nightmare.
Tell him that.
Yeah, I know. Well, you got to try and keep the sun behind you. Otherwise, just get a little lens flare and.
I'll be put him behind me in a minute.
Are these going to go around this?
I mean, I'll be jigsaw, mate. Yeah. Take your gigs off, you bleeding.
Oh, yeah, look at these. Look at these, man. Imagine the amount of time they spend cleaning these. Absolutely spectacular. And incredibly clean. Wow. Look at this beast. Yeah, I can only think these will go around the ring later, just directly behind me. No idea what time. You probably hear them. There's an awful lot of steam coming from over in that direction. So there's quite clearly, there's a shed load more of them over there. I think these are the ones that are in full working order. Look at that. Good God, man. Howard Brothers, Derbyshire. Oh yeah.
Not German, are
Oh. Are these going to travel around the ring later?
Sorry, mate.
Are these going to be travelling around here later?
Not these, no. All those over there will.
Oh, they're all right. Cheers.
Yeah, these won't. No, these won't.
Bloody incredible, aren't they?
Yeah.
How long did you spend cleaning that?
A long time.
You can tell.
Yeah.
Just incredible, though.
Yeah. Yeah.
They are amazing. Good God,
Yeah,
man.
long time.
Did you drive that down here?
Hey?
Did you drive it down here?
That'll come to the back of the wagon.
Oh, does it?
Yeah, it's the thing on the road, aren't they? It's too slow on the road nowadays. You know, some people like them on the road, but
They are nice to see, actually. They're really nice to see.
on the road.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you get three types of people, don't you? You get those that cut you off.
Yeah, you got those who don't appreciate the beauty of them, and then those that you're going too slow.
Yeah, and you get those people that don't know what to do when they see you, and you get those people that want to just stop and take a photograph. You know what I mean? So.
Like me, I'm filming it now.
Oh, yeah.
Be on YouTube next week, all these. So, thank you very much.
Oh,
Anyway. Oh, they're just incredible, these. Ooh, yes. Bit of paintball action? Bit of paintball action? Anyone? Ooh. There they are. The weapons themselves. There's your target at the end. Oh!
The Marina event today at 10:30 with our parade of Series 1 Land Rovers. I know John.
Land Rovers first in the main arena. I have spotted some military equipment, so I am going to go and see that because I just love military stuff. And here, the military stuff. Look at that beast of a truck. Oops, fellow taking photographs there. Doesn't look very happy. Oh, look at these. Looks like a bloody army camp. Wow, this is more like it. I love the steam engines, but this is what I love. They've all got little placards on telling you what sort of vehicle they are and probably where they were used. And look at this. That's awesome, isn't it? Wow, Daimler Ferret Scout car. Whew. Nice looking little gun on the top there. Not a great deal of room inside, but it's just awesome. Ooh, loving that, man. Oh. And my dad was in the armed forces for 22 years in the Royal Engineers. We were going to school inside an army barracks, an army camp. We lived in army quarters. And you know what? It was the best time of my life. It was just incredible. When we were in the playground at school, outside the perimeter fence, you were surrounded by vehicles like this. And this one's for sale. So yeah, a lot of these I can remember from being a kid. Particularly ones like that on the end there. Another one for sale. Good God. There's a proper old bulldozer. Look at that. Incredible. Look at this beauty here. Remember all the war films you've seen? You'll have seen things like this. Aren't they beautiful? What's the same colour? The army green. What a cracking little Jeep. And just as we're about to exit the military side of this show, along comes a tank. Hey! Don't know if it's going into the show ring. We'll find out in a bit. I'm going to go there now. Looking good. He's hanging on. Before the procession of all the army vehicles, we had to get this. Look at that. Oh yes. Okay. I think they're nearly ready to roll. Okay, we're moving again. They all start first time, though, don't they? Tom Cruise. Oh, Jesus. Look at this beast. The beauty of that is you can park that anywhere. Oh, that sounds juicy. Oh. Yeah. Hey, monster trucks, man. Look at that. Well done, mate, well done. It'll be pretty tight with that Citroen park there like that. Woo. There come the little ones. Equally as fab. Bilko. Bilko, love it. For those of you who ever watched Sergeant Bilko, you know what I mean. Way! And there we go, that's it. All straight to the arena. That is the best view you're going to get of these. If you go to the arena now, they're in a distance, so that will be the best view you've had of army vehicles today. This is what this show is all about. Steam engines, steam rollers. Look at that. Rod Stewart taking a breather. Whenever I see things like this, always reminds me of the Flintstones. Wonder why. Look at that. Oh, look at them fabulous little caravans as well. Little Mac. Ooh. I think most of these actually arrive on a truck. You know, people will ever see one of these on the road. You get a mixture, don't you? You get people who marvel at them. They go, how beautiful, and want to take photographs. And you get motorists hating them because they don't go quick enough. But they certainly are a beautiful thing to see. And so well kept. Look at that caravan, look at that. Awesome. Now some of these are going around the ring. Betsy. I had a mate who had a Jaguar called Betsy. An old Mark II. They're just incredible, aren't they? Oh yes. This looks interesting. Just look what them belts are going to power. Bloody great buzzsaw. Whew. I hope he's going to get this going. Hopefully. Love to see it. Just oiling and fueling. That's good one way. Wow. Good Lord, man. Piece fell off and nearly trashed the belt. Luckily, didn't damage the belt. Oof. Sweets of yesteryear. So I know as the army vehicles are parading behind me in the main square.
I got some like. There's some lemon.
Oh, fried eggs. All manner of beautiful cakeys. I don't know whether this music's copyrighted. If it is, I'm going to get a strikeout on this video. And this thing behind just burst into life and we nearly shit ourselves. God, it was loud! Well, that's it for today. I didn't realise that organ thing behind us when we were watching the bikes was going to switch on and it was going to be that bloody loud. Absolutely deafening. Probably couldn't hear me speak or hear the bikes. But that is Astle steam engine rally. Plenty to see, plenty to do. Me, I'm going to go home because I've been in the sun too long now and it's burning. So, I'll see you next time we're out and about. Hope you enjoyed that. We certainly did. I need something cold to drink and I'm going to get it right now. Sweat!